Decided to go to the store and pick up a few things, and I figured that I would do a grocery haul and a Dollar Tree haul all at once, because I went to 2 stores. I normally don't do these kind of videos, but I think I'm going to just start sharing what I get at the store, because I enjoy watching those as well. That's how I learn what I need. So let me tell you guys what I got. I was supposed to be picking up a few items. I don't know what happened. I went in there. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's more than what I expected to get. But anyway, let me get into it. Okay, first I'm going to start off with the Dollar Tree items that I got, because I love that store. Okay, first I had to get some trash bags. 14 come in a pack, which I think is pretty good for $1. Had to get some sandwich bags. I mostly get my paper products from Dollar Tree, because you just can't beat it. It's just a good deal. You're going to pay more than that in a grocery store most of the time for that. I got me some more Tupperware. You can never have too much Tupperware. At least for me anyway. And I like this because it's like that cute turquoise color. So I got some of those. Only a little bit. I got some cute paper plates for my son. You know, he loves looking at the little pictures on there while he's eating. I also got these little clear things. They're supposed to be kind of like for learning. You know, right now the kids are doing a lot of school at home, you know, virtual learning. So you just put the lesson there, and you also can use these little holes here to hang it up on the wall if you need to. And I thought they were really cute, so I'm gonna find something to do with those when I'm trying to teach my son. And I got these little scrubbies for your pots. This is old school, but you know, they still work great. So I got those. What else did I get from Dollar Tree? Okay, I got Sunkist strawberry packets to go in your water. I love these. It tastes so good. You know, the best thing for you is plain water, but you can do the next best thing if you can't drink water all the time like me. Now, what I'm going to show y'all next is bad. And this is only for those little cravings that you get, you know, in the middle of the night or something, and you just need something. So I'll try to get something I can keep in the cabinet and maybe only eat one if I just have, you know, sugar craving. Not a lot. And that's old school hard Jolly Ranchers. Because only 3 of them are only 70 calories. So, and it'll handle your little sweet tooth problem. And also, I just saw these soft and chewy Mike and Ike's. I've never tried these. They're like little bites. They're not the regular Mike and Ike's, but they look good. So I'm going to try those. Okay. Next, plasticware. I'm always getting plasticware. I don't need it. I have silverware, but you know, lazy days. Plasticware. Paper towels. I got those. I was planning on getting those from the grocery store, but y'all know during this pandemic you can't find that stuff in the grocery store. So I think that's it for the Dollar Tree. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's move on to, oh no. One last thing that's back at the Dollar Tree that I've been waiting for a long time. And that is Splash Wild Berry flavored water. For $1. 6-pack for $1. You can't beat that. It's normally $2 in the grocery store. So I got 3 packs of those because I love those. I don't give it to my son, but I love them. Okay. Now let's get into Food Lion. Okay, I also got a jug of purified water from Food Lion. I mostly give that to my son when he wants some water or something mixed in. That's how those. More candy I don't need. Okay. Also, I got some cantaloupe. Now, I could have got the big cantaloupe, but you know how you buy all that fruit and it goes bad. So it's better to get it already cut up because you know you're going to eat it. It's a little higher, but this is only $1.91. So I can deal with that. So that's my cantaloupe. I got more regular paper plates. We're in the crunch. Onion, you need that for the flavor of your food. And this is something that I'm trying. It's cream cheese, but it's honey butter flavor. And they had this on sale for $1.50. Can't beat that. So I'm gonna try it. I don't know what I'm gonna try it on yet. because I'm not supposed to have bread, but I'm gonna try it on something. Got some chewy chocolate chip cookies. These are for my son. I can't have those. That'll start something. I also have these breakfast Belvita bars. I also bought these for my son. I used to eat them myself, and then I just stopped, but I needed something else that I could give him in the morning time, because he doesn't eat a lot of the traditional breakfast foods that everybody eats. So I tried those. They were a hit, so I bought him some more. And this is just a little TV dinner of macaroni and cheese. Just $1. This is just emergency food. Come in the house late or something, you just need to give your child something. Not for me though. And I also got some watermelon. And these 2 slices were $1.94. I only wanted a little bit just to, you know, help me with my sweet tooth. So, oh goodness, I must have put a hole in there. I didn't know that. But yes, watermelon, and it's bright. That means it's gonna be really, really good. Okay, next I got some chicken legs, and I only got small packs of meat because I have meat in the freezer too, and I'm probably gonna cook this up tonight so I don't have to worry about thawing. And I have my steamable broccoli that I love. This is so good, guys. It's the Food Line brand. It only costs $1.39 a pack, and I love it. You know, you can put cheese on it. You only put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Then it's done. So good. I have some beef sausage. This is also very good. You know, you can cut this up with your cabbage. You can put it with some greens. Anything you wish, and it's so tasty with a little olive oil. You can air fry it. You can pan fry it. So good. And I got me some hamburger. I have another little pack of hamburger. I'm going to put this probably in something like some marinara sauce, some spaghetti sauce, and make me up a little thing with some melted cheese on top tonight. But no noodles, of course. Story of my life. Alright, I got some Pringles for my son. These are going to be a trial. We'll see if he eats them. Hopefully he does. Honey, what's wrong? Okay, he's okay now. And I have some cooking spray made with canola oil. I use this mostly for my son's stuff or on something that I don't want to really use oil for, just to keep it down a bit. And I got some Gatorade. They have this on sale right now for 89 cents each. And believe it or not, I bought this for my son the other day. Because he was going to need some electrolytes. And of course he didn't want it. So I was feeling a little drained the other day after I worked out, and I drank some of this, and it just pepped me right back up. So I figured I'm gonna get me some more of these. I'm gonna have to start getting them on a regular basis. Has potassium and everything in there, but I just didn't know it worked that good. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. I got some cutie training pants. It's training time. We'll see how that goes. So that's all I have today. Just a few things I picked up. I'm getting kind of bored with the snacks. I needed some fruit. I needed some water. I needed something other than soda and all of those things. And also I needed some snacks for my son. So when I do the big food haul, I'll be coming back with another video. But I just wanted to tell y'all what I found. And most of this stuff was at the Dollar Tree. You cannot beat that. You know, I love that store. But anyway, until next time, guys, I'll probably be doing another video soon on some other things I'm getting from Amazon. But stay tuned, okay? Till next time, bye.